In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue is network related. Next up, check that you have enabled location services. For that, launch settings, go to privacy and security, click on location services, toggle on for this option. Now head over to the option maps and make sure you have set it to always or while using the app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Or else what you want to do is check for app update. Navigate to App Store, search for Apple Maps. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Next up, you will need to update your software. So launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it, as Apple frequently releases bug fixes that improve Maps performance. Next up, head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option reset or transfer iPhone. Click on the option reset, click on reset location and privacy settings. Complete this process. This will restore your location permissions, then reopen Apple Maps and grant the necessary access again. You can also check Apple's system status page to see if Apple Maps is experiencing a temporary outage. If none of these solutions work, contact Apple support for further assistance, as the issue could be related to your device or account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.